I'm sure in most projects you've done in your contact center, you've struggled with integration. I mean, integration is just right the bane of our life. It's like the nature of the beast. There's nothing you can do about it, but it is difficult. Why is it so difficult? Well, I mean, the first thing, of course, is that in the contact center, all systems meet, all roads join at the contact center. And what do I mean by that? Well, if you want to make your billing system work, then usually you'll just integrate your orders with your invoicing system and you're done. But the contact center is where you have a bunch of people and systems answering queries from your customers on every single thing you do, right? So they have payment queries and they have they have technical queries, they have product queries, they have logistics queries. So what happens is payments, logistics, CRM, ERP, your inventory system, your fulfillment tracking system, for example, all of it is going to come together. And that's why, if you look at the research, there's the 12 plus tools is the typical number that are used in the contact center. And there's no way around it. It's just the nature of the contact center. So that means the complexity is high. It's just that's going to always be the case. And I think the second problem that you have with integration projects in the contact center is that some systems are more or less silos. Now, of course, you probably bought systems that have an API and they have some way to integrate, but frequently there are systems added to the contact center that are bolt-ons. So, for example, in the last few years, people have bought loads of WhatsApp solutions that are kind of boxed WhatsApp solutions. You add them in, you can offer WhatsApp quickly to your customers, but then you get into a project where you realize, oh, we'd like to make a change. We'd like to use some data in these WhatsApp conversations. And then you look at the solution, you go, oh, this was a shiny thing we bought, but unfortunately it's kind of a closed box and it's a data silo that makes it difficult to do anything. And what tends to happen in contact centers is that even CRMs that are purchased or ticketing systems have limitations when it comes to their integratability. And so you kind of end up stuck in a position where you realize, oh, we now need to do this integration project, but the tools we've purchased as the hub systems are somewhat difficult to join together or have barriers. Now, you will somehow make it work. That's beyond doubt. You will get the systems to integrate, but will it be an easy path? Not necessarily if you've made those decisions. And I think that's why it's hard. And I think that's why it's really worth thinking when you hit one of those integration barriers, why does it happen, right? If you think that problem through to the end, you'll see that you'll learn a lot from it. You'll learn an awful lot about how you should look at integration projects for the future and how to avoid having siloed systems.